Hello crochet friends, I am Majo Bear. Welcome to my channel. Today I teach to make this cut project. I am sorry I couldn't finish, but I have cut myself opening a can and it has been impossible. The size is for a 3 or 4-year-old girl, but you can do it as you need. I leave you an approximate tape of stitch to start if you are going to use a yarn of the same size. In my blog majobearcrochet.com you have the graphic pattern. I hope you like it. Thank you. Materials: 200 grams wool 4 millimeters and 4.5 millimeter hook. I have started with 60 chains, 38 centimeters or 15 inches. It's a square neckline. It is divided into 14 back, 14 and 14 sleeve, 11 and 11 front. This stitch is a little different. It is a chain with a single crochet. You will see 2 AC, 1 round, 2 chains, 10 chain with single crochet. If anyone knows the name of this stitch, tell me in comments. The 2 chains count as 1 stitch. You already have first 11. Do 1 chain in the same stitch, 1 chain with single crochet. Put the marker. Thirteen stitch. This is the sleeve. You are ready. The sleeve, 1 chain in the same stitch, one chain with single crochet. Put the marker. Thirteen stitch, one chain with single crochet. This is the back. You are ready the back, one chain in the same stitch, one chain with single crochet. Put the marker. This is the sleeve. Do 13 stitch with one chain, one single crochet. You already sleeve, one chain in the same stitch, one chain with single crochet. Ten stitch. This is the front. Put the marker. As you see, it is a square neckline. Now we just have to repeat the same stitch. In each corner we will increase one stitch, one chain, one stitch. On the front, 5 stitches are for the clip. In each part. Second row, 1 slip stitch, 2 chains. One chain with single crochet, two chains. Skip 2 stitch. This is the eyelet. Continue with one chain, one with single crochet in every stitch until you reach the corner. In the corner, one chain with single crochet, one chain, in the same stitch, one chain with single crochet. Put the marker. Repeat. 1 chain, 1 single crochet in every stitch until you reach the corner. In the corner, 1 chain with single crochet, 1 chain in the same stitch, one chain with single crochet. Repeat this round until you reach the necessary measure. In the eyelets, 2 chains with single crochet. Finish round with the last stitch in 1 slip stitch. I have worked 13 rounds, 13 centimeters or 5 inches. Now let's join front and back. One slip stitch, 2 chains. Have made the buttonholes every 11 rounds. One chain with single crochet, 2 chains. Skip 2 stitch. Continue with a stitch until you reach the corner. Corner also make a stitch. Skip the sleeve. If you need, you can put same chains here. In the next corner, stitch 1 chain 1 with single crochet. Continue until you reach the corner. In the corner, skip a sleeve, continue the sequence until the end of the round. Now let's make the skirt. Let's do some increases. In the first 5 and last 5, we will not make increases. 1 slip stitch, 2 chains, 5 chains with single crochet, 1 chain, 1 with single crochet, in the same stitch 1 chain with single crochet, 1 chain, 1 single crochet, one chain with single crochet, in the same stitch 1 chain with single crochet, and in the next stitch 1 chain with single crochet. Repeat the sequence until the end of the round. End round with 5 chains with single crochet. In the last stitch, remember, in the slip stitch the previous round. In the next round, 1 chain with single crochet in every stitch. Until you reach the necessary measure. I have worked 27 rounds, 27 centimeters or 10.5 inches. On Friday there will be the second part. I hope you liked it. Please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell. Thank you. See you in the next tutorial. Thank you.